Hi everyone, Scott Carruthers from the Ceramic Tile Education Foundation here today to talk about our training guide, Fundamentals in Thin Bed Knowledge. This is an excellent document to help those in the tile industry. It is fashioned after our Certified Tile Installer training manual for the CTI testing program. Similarly to that, this document will help folks in the industry learn about standards and methods of what the installer does on an everyday basis. Folks in the showroom, sales counters, outside sales reps, as well as technical service representatives can benefit from the knowledge that's contained in this document. We would encourage you to get this, and we have some exciting news from Jason Goldberg, who's going to tell us a little bit more about the program. So, Jason?
Hi, I'm Jason Goldberg, CEO of America's Source, Retail Lead Management, and Shalama. When my installers were studying to take the CTI test, one of the training materials that was provided was the Fundamentals of Thin Bed Knowledge. What a great book. It has applications not only for installers, but for everyone in our industry. However, that book costs money. I was on a mission to make it so that everyone in the flooring industry could get it for free so we could elevate our industry and do things the right way. I reached out to Mark Heinlein, and with a financial contribution from me, we've made that happen. I hope you'll enjoy it.